man, you mentioned 3D printing and cosplay, and you guys went nuts. I've printed a whole bunch more stuff. Let's talk about it and how you can do it, because we had a lot of questions. All right, first off, you need a 3D printer. Second, you need to get some material. Now, what you want is you want a mesh, and you can have a bigger mesh or a smaller mesh, but you don't want it where it's solid, because when you print, you're gonna sandwich that mesh in the middle. I went into Tinkercad and I just took some of these pyramids and then I exported it out and brought it into the slicer. Or you can go to Thingiverse. I found some and I've got some of them down here. I'll put a link in the bio for them. You wanna print hot. Set your bed to 65 degrees and set your PLA to 215, even to 220. Now, print the first 2 to 3 layers and then stop. Do a color change or pause your print. Put it down and hold it down with some blue tape. That's all you really need, and then start it printing again. If it's a wearable, you want it to be light, and you can actually do it hollow like this, but you stand the risk of having the pieces come off. It just doesn't have as much contact space. So I usually like to do 5 layers of solid before I go into hollow, and that gives it much more grip. And then go wild, get creative. Like, look at these dragon scales. They wrap around beautifully. And what about doing some flat things if you're looking at plating? Look at this pattern in burnt titanium. It looks great. What if this bracelet were in a skin tone mesh? There's so much you can do. I'm gonna link you to Uncle Jesse, who, by the way, did this back in 2018. He's got a great video. And also to Shori Designs, who has got so much more exciting stuff going on. You guys got this. Go make something awesome.